Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Building a small shipping container house is an innovative and sustainable project that transforms a utilitarian source into a cozy home. Start with thorough planning and research to determine the size, layout, and design. Select and prepare an appropriate site with proper drainage and a solid foundation like a concrete slab or piers. Purchase high quality weatherproof containers from reputable suppliers and inspect them from damage. Modify the container by cutting spaces for doors, windows, and utilities and reinforce the structure as needed. Insulate the container to ensure a comfortable interior design using materials like spray foam or rigid panels. Install energy efficient doors and windows to enhance natural light and ventilation. Hire licensed professionals for electrical wiring and plumbing to comply with local codes. Frame the interior, install drywall flooring and ceilings, and choose subtle materials. Exterior finishes such as paint or cladding protect the container and improve its appearance. Decorate the interior with kitchen cabinets, bathroom fixtures, and furniture to personalize your space. Finally, pass all inspections by local authorities to ensure safety and compliance. Once completed, enjoy your unique, eco-friendly shipping container home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.